100% working SSL certificates for the Virtualhost domain name using XAMPP Server locally. Hello, welcome to Shrubun Library. Today's tutorial, how to generate SSL certificate, configure for localhost in XAMPP Server. We are going to cover: download and install OpenSSL for Windows 64-bit. Configure environment variables for OpenSSL. Create Virtualhost in XAMPP Server. Generate SSL certificate and configure local virtual hosts. Let's begin. Open the web browser. Go to the Google search. Type OpenSSL for Windows. Click on the second link. Download the Win64 OpenSSL version 3.2.1 exe file. Click on Open. Accept the agreement. Click Next. Leave the default path. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Uncheck checkbox. Click on the Finish. Now installation is completed. Now we will need to set up the OpenSSL environment path in Windows. In the Windows search, type Environment Variables. Environment Variables. Under System Variables, select Path from the list, then click Edit. You should come to a pop-up window with a list of directory paths. Click New and input the directory path.
Click OK. Click OK. Click OK.
In the Windows search, type cmd, open Microsoft command prompt. Type in the Microsoft command prompt OpenSSL version. If you see the currently installed OpenSSL version, that means OpenSSL environment. Configuration is working fine. Let's configure the virtual host.
Open the Apache folder. Open the config folder. Open the extra folder. Open the httpd vhosts config file.
Edit the file. Showing like in the screen. Save the file. And exit. Let's create Virtualhost website folder. Go to the XAMPP folder. Open the htdocs folder. Create new folder. Name it PHP tutorial-local. We need to create index.php file inside the PHP tutorial-local to show the website. Edit the file. Showing like in the screen. Save the file. And exit.
Open the Notepad editor. Go to File. Open Windows folder. Then open the System32. Then open the Drivers folder, and open the etc folder.
Click on Select All Files.
Find the hosts file.
Edit the file. Showing like in the screen. Save the file. And exit. Open the XAMPP control panel. Start the Apache server. Open the web browser. Type php tutorial.local, enter. Virtualhost successfully working. Let's configure SSL settings. Open the web browser. Type wp-tutorial.us. Go to the drop-down XAMPP server. Click on the OpenSSL XAMPP link. You will find tutorial page. Now we need to create a file in the Apache folder. Open the Notepad. Edit the file. Showing like in the screen. Save the file as v3.ext. Go to File. Click Save As. Go to the XAMPP folder. Open the Apache folder. Click on Select All Files. Give the name as v3.ext. Save the file and exit. Next, we need to edit the make certificates .bat file. Open the notepad. Click on the file. Go to the XAMPP folder. Open the Apache folder. Click on Select All Files. Open the make certificates .bat file. Edit the file, showing like in the screen. Save the file and exit. Next, we need to generate SSL certificate for virtual hosts. Go to the XAMPP folder. Open the Apache folder. Run the make certificates .bat file.
Generate SSL certificate. State name, give your state name. City, give your city name. Company, give your company name. Unit name, any name. In the FQDN, you must give your virtual host domain name, example, phptutorial.local. You can give any email address.
Next, install the Generate SSL certificate in the local host.
Open the config folder.
Open the ssl.crt folder. Run the server.crt file. Click on the install certificate. Choose the local machine.
Click Next.
Choose the Place all certificates in the following store. Click on the Browse. In the pop-up dialog, select the Trusted Certificate Authorities and click OK. Next, we need to edit the Apache Virtualhost config file.
Open the Apache folder. Open the config folder. Open the extra folder. Open the httpd vhosts config file.
Edit the file, showing like in the screen. Save the file. And exit. Next, make sure, in the Apache httpd config file, the load module, SSL module, and httpd ssl.config files are uncommented. So they are uncommented. Open the XAMPP control panel. Start the Apache server. So you come to this far from the video. If you like this video, give thumbs up, consider subscribe to my channel, and hit the all notification bell button. Thank you, have a nice day. Virtualhost successfully working.